Hello everyone, Christian Luderman here. I got a question from one of my subscribers asking me if it would be okay to expose one of your private methods publicly so you can use them in tests. And the short answer is you shouldn't do that because you are ruining your encapsulation of, for example, the service you're doing it in. But there's one exception. Sometimes it can be hard to test initialization logic inside of the constructor of a service. So what you might do is you might create an init function, which is a public function. Like that, and then you can do some init logic. Doing it like that is sometimes necessary, so you can set everything up for the test, like set up all the dependencies, and then you can just call this init because you need to first instantiate the service, and that's how you call the constructor. So that's the only exception to the rule. Otherwise, don't make private methods public for the sake of testing them. Sometimes you might just need another way of testing it, like you might do a behavior test instead. So for example, if something is happening in here, you might want to create a test where you, for example, just assert that something got called instead. So should fetch data, and then you can assert that you maybe have some data service dot fetch data should to have been called with, and then you provide some expected value. You might do test like that instead. Yeah, don't ruin encapsulation, and keep everything private unless it's actually used for something.